So starting in October 2020, brokers will be able to process MTAs for Liberty commercial vehicle policies that have been set up on a full cycle basis. This will apply to all new business policies incepted via ComQuote since January 2019, and this will also apply to Liberty CV renewals that have been confirmed via the CV renewals portal in Relay or directly in ComQuote. So to carry out an MTA process, open up the CV risk screen and go to the MTA menu, and in here you'll see you have options. So in the initial rollout phase, brokers will be able to carry out general adjustments on a permanent basis. They'll be able to generate a duplicate cert, and they'll be able to remove the policy from full cycle. Note that carrying out temporary adjustments is not possible in this initial rollout stage. So now I'm going to demonstrate each of these processes in turn. So if I go to MTA, permanent and general adjustment. So when the screen opens, you just need to confirm the date and the start time of the adjustment. Please note that if you do start the adjustment today, as in today's date, you will need to select the time and make sure that it's a future dated time, as backdating will result in a referral. Once you've done that, press OK, and the risk screen will open up, and the user will be able to carry out certain adjustments, such as changing the vehicle, increasing the level of no claims discount protection, or adding in a driver. Please note that currently it's only possible to add on drivers on a permanent basis. Also, increasing the level of cover is only possible if the vehicle is being changed too. In this example, I'm just going to increase the level of no claims discount protection from step back to full. Click calculate, and the system will generate either a 0, additional or return premium. So you can see in this example, I've got an additional premium of $175.10. If I want to process this, you just need to follow the usual steps that you would carry out for a new business policy. So double click on it, click submit risk. Please note that in this screen, the payment option will default to whatever was selected when it was incepted, and it's not possible to change the payment option at this stage. To confirm then, just click buy cover in the bottom right hand corner. So the next process here is to carry out a permanent MTA that requires a duplicate certificate. So again, just follow this path, click on duplicate cert. During this process, you don't need to select a start date and time, just press OK. So the certificate will generate and you can print that off. And to conclude, you just need to put in the red certificate number and press OK. Note at this point, if you want to see a history of any MTAs that have been carried out, just go to MTA and click on show history. Finally then, users have the option to remove the policy from full cycle. So to do this, go to MTA and click on remove from full cycle. A warning message will appear advising you if you take the policy off full cycle, you won't be able to carry out any further adjustments on the policy. So if you're happy to proceed, click yes. That completes the process, and if we return to the MTA menu, you can see all the options are grayed out, and only the history option is available. So that concludes this video on the MTA processes that are available for full cycle Liberty CV policies.